Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you is always well. So today I will again make a feedback video about my trade which I'm done today with 3 trades. The result was a little bit better now. I got 100% winning ratio, so all of the trade was profit, but some of the trade was not so nice to be done honestly. And now let's jump into the chart. Okay, so this is my first entry which I'm done at the first entry. So okay, here was the correct understanding of the market, of course, because the technique that I'm used here was a retracement candlestick in the some kind of ranging market, minor ranging market. Okay, so the major market was uptrend and the minor was ranging. So actually here I'm reading the minor as a ranging, and I'm also following the major uptrend. So this happening, the backup level would be 38.2 on micro level. So this is the blue line was the big ratio of the Fibonacci, which is the greater level. You see what's happening in this kind of blue line. This is fake breakout, piercing line, fake breakout. Okay, fake breakout. This is because of the big ratio. So this is the micro ratio, which I see when I see this candlestick, which bearish closing exact. It's like look like on 38.2 and have the upper and lower shadow with some kind of same size, but actually the lower size is a little bit longer. So this is a weak candlestick after the piercing line pattern, of course. Okay, and the piercing line pattern was success here, making a breakout of bullish. Of course that will be that was breakout of the level 38.2 itself, and then happened a retracement here in form of the consolidation. So this is basically I'm entering in the small kind of consolidation, guys. So this happening. Okay, what I should do was enter here, but here, but I'm not kind of confident to do this trade. So here was the technique was a retracement candle, you see, in some kind of minor ranging market. After the price hit the resistance, hit the support, they back to the resistance. So that is why I'm profit here, and this quality of trade is for me nice because I'm following the minor and the major trend. The minor trend was uptrend, but in the middle after the retracement, and the major trend was also uptrend. So that is nice, guys. So let's move on into the second open position. So now I'm here entering in this kind of level above. Okay, so the safe entry, it's okay, it's like nice because I'm not entering in the opening price itself. I'm entering a little bit above on expectation on this level. This is the level of 38.2. Below was the 23.6 on micro level. Why this level is so narrow? Because now the movement of the price is on the London session, which is a little bit bigger movement. So the micro level will be more smaller, getting small and smaller. Okay, so what happening here? Why I took a sell? Because I see a breakout, guys. Here the breakout. This candlestick is bearish, and this candlestick is breaking a lot of level, like here 38.2, 23.6, and also the the EMA, which is middle Bollinger Band, and hit the deviation 1. That is why they going back bullish here, which I'm recognizing this as a pullback or retracement candlestick, because the major trend, if you want to read about it, the major trend was down still, and here was the minor trend was down. Okay, the major down, the minor down. We'll look for the retracement or pullback, especially in some kind of strong level. Okay, here was 23.6. it's not so strong, but it's a level. Okay, so the blue line here, this was the big ratio of Fibonacci. Okay, so this is just a manipulation, guys. You see higher high, higher low with some kind of big candlestick, but actually it's not strong enough to break this round number, and they fall back down. So in this kind of market, it's absolutely that doji, which is the consolidation in the higher time frame, and that is also a sign here, which is a 20 EMA is flat, 50 EMA is flat, and another EMA would be almost flat. So that is why I took the trade. And why I don't took this trade, it's because of I think I'm not realizing this as the some kind of consolidation here. Okay, because this is consolidation, guys, after the breakout, bam bam. Okay, but because of a strong downtrend, minor downtrend, it's the consolidation is broken. Okay, so it's out of the consolidation zone and doing its continuation. So here basically why I'm not do a sell option, because of this. I'm just worried about this kind of level, because this is deviation 1, and it could be also some kind of fake breakout, yes, piercing line, something like that, and it can be bullish here. That is I'm not like. Okay, so I'm not doing this trade. But after this breakout, I should realize, or we should realize that this is the breakout of the major level. So this is important. That is why here was the range also, and that is why it's getting back, continuing and continuing. Because of the strong trend, it's now after this breakout is in the zone of the below 1 deviation and 2 deviation, so it will be some kind of strong trend. So that is why, guys, but I still train myself to do that, because sometimes we just enter in the consolidation mode. So what is this? There is number 2 was ETM, and the number 3 here was a little bit of risky. But what happening here, actually, as before, a consolidation in higher time frame. You see the EMA was flat 150, and sorry, here the 50, and here was the important in 200. It's already going flat. So if 200 is flat, is something like this, yes, strong up, strong down, which is making a doji or a doji. Okay, so that is the context, the bigger context. Now we move to the smaller context. What is the smaller context that I mean? Here the smaller context. This is the minor downtrend. The minor downtrend is at its end. Okay, because it's happening the reversal pattern, which we call it bullish engulfing. But I want to trade here the sell option, but I don't know, but it's like some doubt. Okay, so I will not take this trade, and I take the second one with the backup of 38.2, but the analysis was wrong. My analysis or my expectation before was this a downtrend will be strong, but I'm also considering this some kind of flat EMA, which is also consolidation in the higher time frame possibility, and that's mean that when the price is moved strong, it also can be strong up here because of the bigger consolidation context that's showing 200 EMA was flat. And what I'm thinking here was, okay, I see this is engulfing, well, that is engulfing, but you see the EMA is in between and we don't know anything where the price will reject or something like that. But after this engulfing, I just expecting that this will be some kind of consolidation here to here down, okay, and then after this candle, this is a shooting star. So with this kind of condition, I thought that this next candlestick will be some kind of doji, it could be, or small bullish or bearish, because of this kind of a shooting star in following the some kind of strong minor here. So that is why when the price going up again here to the level of 38.2, I just enter in the safe zone here, and the price actually moved down. And if you know here, if you see here that my expectation is a little bit wrong, okay, because what I'm expecting was this will be in the consolidation mode, so bullish engulfing will be not unfolding, and my expectation was this was bearish here, okay. But actually what happening was here a bullish. Why this is a bullish and not a doji or a bearish here? Because this context, guys, the context that I told you before, that in this kind of flat 100 and 200 EMA, price can go down and go up with wild, very wild, okay. So this is basically the true reversal pattern, which this bearish will be a retracement and a continuation. But here the continuation is not working so well. You see here they in the smaller time frame, like 5 seconds, it's making some kind of triangle here after the breakout. So that is why this candle is bullish, trying to break this one, but be careful in this kind of level context, okay. Flat 200 MA, it can be manipulating us, like this one, breakout triangle, you see, and then it's going back down with the big candlestick. That is because of this, okay, flat EMA, bigger EMA. So it was a doji, guys. Here you see opening closing, it's a doji into two candles, and this was the hammer, okay. And basically this candlestick was a fake breakout of this hammer, okay, because this is a doji, hammer, and this was a like bearish candlestick, okay, and this is bearish. So bearish, hammer, retracement, making a doji. So here was bigger, not sure, because after the hammer, when it's a doji, it could be also uptrend, especially in this kind of market, and also a downtrend like this. But after the hammer, it should be happen some barrier here, which is 38.2, that I'm using to hold my position. So that is why I'm still profit in there, but the analysis was not correct, because as I said before, I'm expecting here to bearish candle, because I'm expecting that this engulfing will not work in this kind of area, which will be downtrend consolidation, okay, because this is flat. But actually here was the level, if I'm not wrong, this is 38.2, this is must be 23.6, and here was the level of 14.6, okay, 0.6. So this is the 14 level, and below was some kind of round number. So thank you guys, I hope you enjoy my video. That is my trade today, which, okay, that it's a little bit nice than my trade before. Yesterday was 66%, today 100, and the first trade of the first trade of the 1 November is loss. So yeah, that's it, and we have to finish the week, and this is week 1, week 2, week 3, and we still need because we have to get 5 weeks. Okay, sorry, not 5 weeks, we need to get 6 weeks, because 5 equals 6 will be 30. So we just a half of the way of the 1 month experiment. So thank you guys, there is nothing to say anymore, and I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you.